Are you finding it difficult to wear liquid liner? Are you always getting it smudged everywhere? Let me show you a very simple and easy way to wear eyeliner without making a hot mess. My name is Min Consultation and I'm the author of Boss Glam, the ultimate guide to corporate glam and empowerment, and the CEO and founder of Glam & Go, Fast Glam for Busy Women. My mission is to help women simplify makeup to empower themselves in life every day. So to begin with, I'm going to show you how to create a very itty bitty wing using a brown liquid eyeliner. Let's begin. But before I start, I want to tell you why I've chosen brown. Brown is easier to wear. It's not harsh on the eyes and it doesn't look intense, especially if you're going for a day look. I've chosen to get one of these ones, which is like a pen. So if you see, I mark it, you can make it as thick or as thin as you want. The simplest trick is just to look in a mirror, look straight ahead, and never hold a mirror this close when you're putting eyeliner. I'll tell you why. When you're holding it this close, your artistic hand gets to go all over the place. And when you start to draw a line and you like it, looking at it this close, when you open your eyes and you look straight, especially if you have hooded eyelids like mine, it's just gonna look really bad. So I always do it with my eyes open, looking straight into the mirror. And then I start in the middle. I take the tip and I start to just do a little dash. Just like that. Just dab it really gently. And then just follow that along your lash line till you get to the end of the lash line. And then look straight again and take the corner here and just do a little angled towards your brow tail, and then bring that a little bit in to create a little wing. And just keep going back and don't go thicker, just keep going along the line, and that's it. That's a little itty bitty wing. And when you do this, you can see where you have gaps. Just go in and fill that in. I don't like to go too much inside because I want this eye to look elongated like this. And then just kind of play with it too. So when you squint, you kind of see where you want to have that swoosh line that doesn't, like, takes it from the middle and brings it in. So it's a nice flow. It's not like, you know? So it's like up and then it brings it in. And this eye is not the same as this eye. Our eye shapes are different. So you have to keep that in mind. And then kind of tilt your head back and kind of just make sure that there is a link between where the line is and the middle of that little wing that you've created. Now I'm going to apply mascara. This is Scandalized Flex from Rimmel. And I like to put my finger here and kind of just tap the base and go on, like, brush it till it hits my finger. And I know that it's not going to, just place it and roll it. For my bottom lashes, I like to just keep it till the outer third. I don't like to go all the way, just from the middle of the iris, because that will help to open up the eye shape. And that's it. If you enjoyed that little mini tutorial, then you are going to love my book, Boss Glam, the ultimate guide to corporate glam and empowerment. It's out now on Amazon.com and will be available on the book website, bossglambook.com, where you will get access, as soon as you purchase, access to a 21-day challenge with over 30 videos that you can watch and practice for 21 days, because scientifically it's proven that if you do something for 21 days, you will form a habit out of it. And I want you to form a habit of really taking care of yourself, looking presentable every day without being rushed. And I think that once you practice it, you can perfect it. So it's just like a skill you need to practice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.